Andrew Thompson from Precision Market Trading. A bit of our weekly update from some of the videos we posted last weekend. On Saturday, I put out one on shorting gold and selling gold shares. I said this week is shaping up to be a bad week for both, and that was pretty well spot on at this point in time. We had a short-term sell signal up here last weekend on Newcrest Mine, and since then it's fallen nearly 18%. Mainly due to the gold price falling out of bed, but also some bad corporate news coming in. You'll find if you study the markets as much as I do over the years, you'll find that when the trend is up, good news comes out everywhere, bad news is discounted. But when the trend is down, it's the opposite. Bad news tends to come out and good news is ignored. Just like being on the ground, and while you're down, people will still keep kicking you until your cycle changes. And at the moment, Newcrest, his cycle is going down. We've broken. This here's a daily chart. The ones I posted last week were weeklies. This is showing it's falling out of bed. It's falling between the lows. It's gone below major old tops here, which could have supported it. We may have a bounce. It came off its lows on Friday, and it could bounce $1.50. But it's just another opportunity to sell. So you have to keep aware of this stock is going lower along with gold. So any rally is a selling opportunity with the correct numbers. Just as a brief aside, we talked a lot last weekend about the number 233. Well, this top to this bottom is 232. So it's probably one of the small reasons why I did the bounce at the bottom. Not to mention short covering. I didn't cover my shorts. I've been short from up here, and I've been shaken out a couple of times, made small profits, but my medium-term view is going lower, and I'm willing to hang in there. Next stop is we did one on Slate and Gordon. Be well aware, I had very good numbers down here from the major lows back up in 08 from the top. Good time. I put out a buy order, a buy recommendation, but I'm not in yet. I figured it's up nearly 20% from the low before I got around to having a look at it. I would like a bit of weakness because all lows must be tested, and this low is going to be tested. There's quite a sharp decline on Friday with such a big bear run down here. If this low is to hold, and once again this is a daily chart, if this low is to hold, it's got to be tested like anything. You don't pass an exam without doing tests. So we'll see how we go down there. The low, as we know, was 329 odd. We closed around the 360, so essentially only 30 cents off the low. But I have some minor time coming out mid to late this week coming, so we'll see how it respects that. Conservative buyers wouldn't buy until we jump above the $4 mark, because that's a pretty good sign. It's broken out to the upside, and the minimum prices you'd have be coming back to the old lows up here around 560, 580 after a bit of gap filling. The third one I want to look at today is REA. As you will be well aware, we bought right back down here. We had once again a Slate and Gordon type collapse. Good time, good price around here. We had a big rally, we had a huge spike just over a week ago, which is just too much in too little time. This has to be consolidated. It's like a 100-meter runner. He can only run 100 meters because of his body type, and he has to have a rest. Now this has done 100 meters basically. This isn't a marathon. This is a big bulk. It's up 25% in a month. You know, it's too much too soon. So we're just going to flop around here for a little while before we continue the rally. My medium-term pointers haven't even gone long yet. They're just about to turn long. So as far as I'm concerned, this could drift around here for a couple of weeks, and it's still a buy to go up. I'm going to post a couple more videos this weekend on some other securities I like, but this is just a bit of an update. So I'd still be hanging on to your REA if you've got a decent price. If you're short gold or you're thinking of buying gold shares, hang on to your shorts, but do not buy gold. And Slate and Gordon's coming into a good buy zone. We'll see how it handles test of low. Goodbye. Talk to you soon.